Today, I'm unboxing one of the newest espresso machines on the market, Maxim's Seine X series. I'll walk you through the features, pull a shot of espresso as quickly as possible, and share what I genuinely love about it, and what I think could be better. Just so it's clear, yes, the company sent me this machine to test, but they gave me full freedom to say whatever I want, so everything you hear is based on my real experience. Right out of the box, the first thing that stands out is how much stuff you get. We're talking two 58mm portafilters, one of them bottomless, two single-shot baskets, a stainless steel distribution tool, spring-loaded tamper, WDT tool, tamping mat, a microfiber glove, two wooden handles for the grinder and steam wand, a milk jug, portafilter dosing ring, group head brush, extra screws and washers, more cleaning brushes, and even a really nice booklet about the brand. Honestly, this might be the most complete unboxing I've ever done for a home espresso machine. Setting it up is pretty simple. Pop in the hopper, install the back piece, attach the handles, attach the water tank tubes and slid it in, put the drip tray in, and you're ready to go. The design is inspired by a 1950s French Simca 90, which gives it this really cool retro modern look. The wood accents are a nice touch, and the light bars on the sides and under the grinder just make it feel extra polished. It's got two displays, one for the grinder and one for the machine, and they both look super clean. The grinder is really impressive. It's a conical burr with 70 grind settings, 8 speed levels, and 3 dosing options, by weight, by time, or fully manual. It also has anti-static tech and a built-in scale, which means you're getting super consistent, mess-free grinding with almost spot-on accuracy every time. And then there's the espresso machine itself. It's a single boiler setup but uses dual 15-bar Italian Oca pumps. There's multi-frequency pressure control, an adaptive PID system with a water temp range from 88 to 96 degrees Celsius, and even a smart drip prediction system that adjusts based on flow rate to get your coffee to water ratio just right. You'll get 6 extraction modes built in: standard, constant, advanced with variable pressure profiling, manual, drip coffee, and fast extraction. Whether you're just getting into espresso or you've been dialing in for years, this machine gives you flexibility without making things overly complicated. The steaming power on this machine is actually really solid, and with the long steam wand, it's one of the easiest setups I've used to get silky microfoam every single time. It also features a built-in infrared thermometer, so you can see your milk temperature in real time, and even set a target temperature so it stops automatically when it hits that point. No more guessing, no more burnt milk. It just makes steaming way more consistent and beginner-friendly. To pull the first espresso, let's start by dialing in the grinder. You can adjust the grind setting using the knob on the left side of the machine. Set your dose to 18 grams, then push the handle back to start grinding by weight. Use the included WDT tool, the distributor, and the spring-loaded tamper to get your puck ready. Open up the coffee scale, and select the standard mode for your first shot. Keep an eye on the brew time. If it runs too fast, you need to grind a bit finer. If it's too slow, you should grind a little coarser. Just keep adjusting until you hit that sweet spot. Once you've got it dialed in, you can switch to constant mode to consistently hit that ideal 1:2 ratio every time. No need to tweak settings shot after shot. And if you're curious about the more advanced extraction modes, be sure to check out my next video. I'll dive deeper into all the settings and what they can do. What I love most about this machine is the build quality, the smart, thoughtful features, and the fact that it comes fully loaded. You really don't need to buy any extra accessories. If I had to point out a few things that could be improved, I'd say the water tank placement could be more convenient. I wish it was accessible from the back. The drip tray could be a bit larger to catch more overflow and avoid drips on the counter. I wish the shower head screw was flat, as now it causes a hole in the puck and prevents me from using puck screens, although it is easy to replace with a flat aftermarket shower screen. And I would have loved a double wall steam wand to make cleanup a little easier. But honestly, those are minor things, and I'm just being picky at this point. So, is this the perfect home espresso machine? It's definitely one of the most complete ones I've tested so far. Packed with smart features, great design, and a fully loaded box, this is a serious contender for any home barista. Let me know in the comments what features stood out to you the most. and what your dream espresso machine includes. If you enjoyed this review, hit like and subscribe for more honest content just like this.